Google just dropped something insane. It's called Antigravity, and you can build full apps and websites by just talking to it. No code, no developers, no tech headaches. I'm about to show you how to go from zero to expert in the next 10 minutes. Let's go. Let's talk about Google Antigravity. This thing launched in late 2025 and it's a total game changer. It's an AI-powered IDE. That means it's basically a smart coding assistant that does everything for you. You just tell it what you want in plain English. It plans it, builds it, tests it, and deploys it, all without you writing a single line of code. Now, here's what makes it crazy powerful. It uses multiple AI models: Gemini 3.0, Claude 3.5, Sonnet, GPT 4.0. You can switch between them depending on what you need, and it works on Mac, Windows, and Linux, so anyone can use it. Let me show you how this works. First, you need to download it. Go to antigravity.google, click download, install it on your computer. Takes like 2 minutes. Once it's installed, open it up. You'll see a clean interface. Pick your AI model. I usually start with Gemini 3 for planning stuff. Then you set your workspace. That's just the folder where your project will live. Here's a pro tip right away: enable screenshot mode. This lets you take screenshots of what you want, and the AI will edit based on what it sees. Super powerful for quick tweaks. All right, now you're ready to build your first project. Start with something practical. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we need a high converting landing page. So I'm going to type this prompt: build a landing page for AI Profit Boardroom. Headline should be about saving time with AI automation. Add 3 bullet points explaining the benefits, include a testimonial section, and add an email capture form at the bottom. Use Tailwind CSS and Next.js. Watch what happens. The AI agent starts working. It breaks down the task into subtasks. First, it plans the structure, then it writes the code, then it spins up a local server so you can see it live. This whole process takes maybe 30 seconds, and boom, you've got a full landing page running on your computer. But here's where it gets even better. Let's say you want to make a change. You take a screenshot of the page, circle the headline area, and type make this headline bigger, and add an animation where it fades in from the top. The AI sees your screenshot, understands what you want, makes the change, refreshes the page, done. No coding, no confusion. Just tell it what you want. Now let me show you something more advanced. We're going to build an AI tutor app for the AI Profit Boardroom community. This is going to help members learn AI automation faster. Here's the prompt: create an AI tutor app for teaching AI automation. It should have a chat interface where users can ask questions, add progress tracking so they can see what they've learned, include daily quizzes to test their knowledge, make it look clean and modern. The AI agent goes to work again. This time it's building something more complex: a chat interface with a backend, progress tracking with a database, quiz functionality with scoring. All of this is happening automatically. The agent generates progress reports so you can see what it's doing. And in about 2 minutes, you've got a working tutor app. But wait, let's make it better. I want to gamify it. So I tell the AI, make this gamified, add badges for completing lessons, add a leaderboard so users can compete with each other, and add achievement notifications. The AI updates the code, adds all those features, and now you've got a fully gamified learning platform. This is the kind of thing that would normally take weeks to build. You just did it in 5 minutes. Let me tell you about something that can take this even further. If you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Antigravity, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we share the exact systems and tools we use to scale businesses with AI. We've got members building apps like this, automating their marketing, generating leads on autopilot. And the best part is you get access to a community of people doing the same thing. So you can ask questions, share wins, and learn from others. Link is in the description. Now let's keep going. Now I want to show you an expert level project. We're going to build a viral quiz game for the AI Profit Boardroom. This is going to help us get more traffic and signups. Here's the prompt: build an SEO quiz game called AI Automation Challenge. Users answer 10 questions about AI tools and automation. Show their score at the end with a shareable results card. Add a leaderboard that shows top scores. Integrate Gemini API to give personalized hints when users get stuck. Make it mobile responsive and optimize for SEO. This is where Antigravity really shines. It's not just building one thing, it's coordinating multiple agents. One agent plans the UI, another agent writes the quiz logic, another agent handles the leaderboard database, another agent integrates the Gemini API, and another agent optimizes it for mobile and SEO. All of this is happening at the same time, and you're just watching it happen. In about 3 minutes, you've got a fully functional quiz game. It looks professional, it works on phones and computers, and it's ready to drive traffic. Now, here's a cool trick. You can add generative engine optimization to this That's where you optimize content specifically for AI search engines. So when people search for AI automation quiz or test your AI knowledge, your game shows up. This is the future of SEO, and you just built it with a few prompts. Let me give you some expert tips now. First, model switching is key. Use Gemini 3 for planning and organizing complex projects. It's really good at breaking down big tasks. Use Claude 3.5 Sonnet for writing clean, efficient code. It's the best for that. And use GPT-4o when you need creative content or natural language processing. Second, always review what the AI builds. Don't just blindly deploy stuff. Look at the code, test the features, make sure it does what you want. The AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. You're still the director. Third, think about scale. You can use Antigravity to build microsites, lots of them, each one targeting a specific keyword or topic, each one driving traffic back to your main site or community. This is how you can 10x or even 100x your traffic. Build 50 microsites in a week, each one fully functional and SEO optimized. That's the power of this tool. Fourth, you can combine Antigravity with other tools. Use it with N8N for workflow automation. Use it with Make for connecting different apps. Use it with Firebase or Supabase for more advanced back-end features. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about deployment and hosting. Once you've built your app or website, you need to put it online. The easiest way is using Netlify or Versal. Both have free plans. Both are super easy to use. You just connect your project folder, click deploy, and boom. Your site is live. Takes like 30 seconds. Here's a strategy that works really well. Build multiple landing pages for different audiences, one for freelancers, one for agency owners, one for small business owners. Each one speaks directly to that audience. Each one drives to the same offer, but with personalized messaging. You can build all of these in an afternoon with Antigravity, then deploy them all and start driving traffic. Every one of these projects can generate leads. That landing page you built, put a lead magnet on it. That quiz game, collect emails at the end. That tutor app, gate the advanced features. You're not just building cool projects, you're building assets that grow your business. And with tools like this, you can build dozens of them. Let me show you one more thing before we wrap up. You can use Antigravity to build internal tools for your team. Let's say you need a content calendar or a client reporting dashboard or a keyword research tool. Just describe what you need. The AI builds it, and now your team has a custom tool that does exactly what you need. No more paying for expensive software. No more trying to hack together spreadsheets. You've got a real tool built specifically for you. This is the future of business. AI doing the heavy lifting, you focusing on strategy and growth, and tools like Antigravity making it all possible. The barrier to entry for building tech is basically gone. Anyone can do this now. So here's what I want you to do. First, go download Antigravity right now. It's free in public preview. Second, build your first project today. Start simple, a landing page, a quiz, something you need for your business. Third, experiment with the different AI models, see which ones you like best. And fourth, start thinking bigger. How can you use this to scale? How can you build systems that run on autopilot? And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community. 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Links in the comments and description. Also, for those who want to go even deeper with AI automation and build real businesses with these tools, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where we share the advanced strategies, the exact systems we use to generate leads and scale with AI. And you get direct access to work with our team. Link is also in the description. All right, that's Google Antigravity, from beginner to expert in 10 minutes. Now go build something amazing. Drop a comment and let me know what you're going to build first, and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns every week. I'll see you in the next one.